Hello everyone, my name is Kate. Today we're going to read a book. It's called Farm Animal Chicken. Let's turn the page. Farm Animal Chicken. A chicken is a kind of bird. Chickens live in groups called flocks. Chickens have feathers and wings, but they don't fly well. They have feathers like a bird, but they don't fly well. A chicken has a beak. A chicken pecks for seed and insects on the ground. Beak. A chicken has a claw and a wattle on its head. Claw, wattle. A male chicken is a rooster. Rooster cow. Like a female chicken is a hen. A hen lays egg. A hen sits on the egg to keep them warm. Some eggs are food for people. Some eggs hold baby chickens. Baby chicken grow up to be chicken on the farm. I hope you enjoyed this story and subscribe if you like it and see our channel, and you can do more fun as you like it. And we always know sometimes we just have a video on Friday, Tuesday, or Monday. Sometimes Thursday or like whatever we want to do. So goodbye.